Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya wal mursalin Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'du. Yang saya muliakan pengasuh Pondok Pesantren Zainul Hasan Genggong, yakni Kiai Haji Mutawakil Allah SHMM, dan yang saya muliakan Rektor Universitas Islam Zainul Hasan Genggong, yakni Bapak Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab BAMAG. Dan tak lupa pula dosen pengampu mata kuliah pembelajaran bahasa Inggris DMI, yakni Ibu dosen Raudatul Islam atau biasa kami sebut dengan Miss Iis. Sebelumnya izinkan saya memperkenalkan diri. Saya atas nama Afkarina Aprilia di sini ingin memenuhi tugas UTS, yaitu menjelaskan tentang contextual learning. Baik, langsung saja. Contextual learning or contextual teaching and learning atau biasa disebut dengan CTL is a learning approach that connects subject matter to student real life situation so that student can understand the meaning of the learning and apply in their daily life. First, definition. Contextual learning or contextual teaching and learning (CTL) is a learning approach that connects subject matter to student real life situation so that student can understand the meaning of the learning and apply in their daily life. 2. Characteristic of contextual learning include: learning is linked to student real life context. Student active in the learning process, analysis, discussion, group work, and direct experience. The teacher acts as a facilitator who guides student. Learning empowering student meaning, not just memorizing. Benefits or manfaat. Benefits of contextual learning include: help students understand the material more easily, makes learning more interesting and learn boring, increases student motivation and engagement in learning, helps student connecting knowledge to everyday life. Difficult or kesulitan. Some difficult in implementation contextual learning. Teacher must be creative in design learning, inquiries more through preparation. Not all material is easily connected to real life context. Require longer learning time. Example or application. Contoh penerapan. Example of implementation in English learning at ME. Material, vocabulary about fruits. Activity step: the teacher brings several fruits such as apple, banana, orange, and mangoes. The teacher introduces the vocabulary in English. Students are asked to name the fruit in English. Students create sample sentence such as I like apple. In this way, students learning English through real objects around them, making learning more contextual and easier to understand. Kesimpulan, contextual learning (CTL) is an effective learning approach because it connects material to student real life, making learning more meaning and easy to understand. By activity, engage student and position the teacher as a facilitator. CTL can ease student motivation, understanding, and ability to apply knowledge in everyday life. However, its implementation requires creativity through prepare and more time to activity learning object optimality. Mungkin itu saja yang bisa saya sampaikan, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. Bye-bye.